brand new lightweight, powerful, economic and automatic magnetic drilling machine. BDS Maschinen. Introducing the AutoMAB 350, the automatic magnetic drilling machine with auto feed as well as auto reverse from the Profi Special category. The newly developed AutoMAB 350 weighs just 15 kilos. After positioning the machine, switch on the motor and push back the feed handles to set the machine on automatic feed. The machine then proceeds to drill with automatic feed. The AutoMAB 350 can drill up to 35 mm diameter and up to 55 mm cutting depth with annular cutters. The AutoMAB 350 is equipped with brilliant load indicators, which stops the machine if the load is high, thus avoiding cutter breakage and any accidents. Once the hole is drilled, the intelligent sensor of the machine knows it and then changes the feed to automatic reverse. The automatic magnetic drilling machine is the best option for drilling multiple holes at the same time. As the machine is independent of operator errors while drilling, you can achieve more holes per cutter, hence saving tool cost and time. Simply better drilling. The AutoMAB 350 is equipped with made in Germany 1050 watts powerful motor, next generation LED switches, intelligent magnet indicator, load indicator for safety, 19 mm Weldon shank, permanent internal lubrication, integrated cooling tank, automatic as well as manual drilling, delivering 450 RPM speed. The AutoMAB 350, powerful, fast and automatic magnetic drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.